Students, I'm not going to explain the SPY numbers. This is a SPY number 4 program of question 6. Question 6 is question 6. I am not going to explain it because I've already explained this program in the previous videos. So I will share the video of this SPY number program. I will share the link in the description box. From that you can get the how to do the SPY number program. So we'll move to the question 7. Question 7, the question is, a hotel is giving seasonal discount on the amount to be paid by the person staying at the time of checkout. The charges for one day stay is rupees 850 per room. Charges 850 per room. The discount will be given as per the following criteria. So number of days stayed, they have given a table discount on total. So if it is one day, it is 850 per room. So if amount will be up to 3 days. If it is up to 3 days, the discount will be of 10%. Okay, it's greater than 5 days and less than or equal to 10 days means it is 15%. Greater than 10 days and less than or equal to 20 days if they are staying means 20%. More than 20 days they are staying means they have a discount of 25%. So write a program to enter the name of guest, total number of days stayed in the hotel, calculate the total amount to be paid and discount amount. Listen. Total amount to be paid also we have to find out. Discount amount also we have to find out. Find the net balance to be paid excluding the discount. So that has to be also paid. Print the bill including all data. So you have to print the bill with the name of guest, total number of days stayed, total amount to be paid, discount amount, net balance. So this we have to print also. Here we are, what I am going to do is I will write the program with 2 methods. 2 or 3 methods I will write as we have done the user defined method chapter. So I am going to do, what I am going to do is, now we will start with import java.util.scanner your class public class ABC public void. Instead of starting the method, what we have to do is, what I am going to do is, I will not start the method. I will declare the variable. First I will declare the name of the guest as name and number of days for number of days stayed, int num for the number of days. Okay, then total amount to be paid. Yes, so total amount to be paid we can give it as, we will give everything in double total comma discount comma balance, net amount. Okay, so I have declared total, discount, net amount, 3 variables. So this is only the thing we needed. So we'll say, we'll start a scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Why I am declared everything as above in the class, above the methods means then only it will be acceptable to hold the program, make it as a global variable. So that is why I have declared above the method. Now we will do another method, public void except for storing the, for accepting the values. This is for accepting the values, system.out.println. Enter the name. So the name of the guest has to be entered for that. So name is this equal to se dot next of or next line of, it's up to you. Next number of days stayed, system dot out dot println number of days. So here will number is equal to se dot next end of. Okay, so we have got the 2 things. Next we have to calculate. So I will close this method and I will open another method for calculation. public void calculate. So I have opened a calculate method. Here what I have to do is I have to use if else. For that we need this table. Up to 3 days there is 10% discount. So if number up to 310, if number is less than or equal to 3, the number is less than or equal to 3, what you have to do is you have to find the total first. So total is equal to 850 into number. So you have found out the total 850 into number. Then now discount is equal to total into how much discount is 10 by 100, 10%, so 10 by 100, total into 10 by 100. So we have found out the total also, discount also. We'll find the net balance at the end, otherwise each time you have to find out the net balance. So we have to find this only, net balance we will do that at the end. So else if this is up to 3 days, and if it is greater than 5 days and less than or equal to 10 days, if it is greater than 5 days and is less than or equal to, so else if number is greater than or equal to 5 and number less than or equal to 10, then the discount again we will do total. It is better you calculate the total at the beginning, so that each time you don't need to do. By mistake I have done, so we'll repeat this. By is total is equal to your number of days into 850, again 850, then discount is equal to your total into how much discount is 15 by 100. Okay, this is again closed. Again we will start. The condition is greater than 10 days and less than or equal to 20 days. So else if num greater than or equal to 20, greater than 20, here also greater than 5 days, greater than 5, here also greater than 10, greater than 10, num is greater than 20 and num is less than or equal to 20. Okay, so your total again we will calculate num star 850, then discount is equal to total into, here it is 20 by 100. So I have calculated the discount also to 20 by 100, and this is also closed. More than 20 days, here you don't need to calculate the check the condition, because if this condition doesn't meet, automatically it will come to else part. It means that more than 20 days. So in under else part what I am doing is, again I am calculating total is equal to num into 850 and discount is equal to total into 25% discount it is. So we have calculated the total also and discount also. So each time we have calculated the total or discount. So any of this part will work. Yes, either the guest will stay for 11 days, 10 days. So only one number is there. So only one condition will be met. So according to that, if this part will work. So at the end what you have to do is, you have to find the net balance also. Net balance we will find out by minusing total discount from the total. How will you find the net balance? Net balance we will find by minusing discount from the total. So this is the net balance. So everything we have calculated. So calculate method will also be closed. Next we will start another method, public void print. This is to be print the bill. So we have to print the bill with all the details. So I am printing system dot our dot println. So you can design it, okay, with anything. Bill, double quotes open, bill amount, you can give, it's up to you. Next, system dot our dot println name of the person. So here I will give name, okay. Next, system dot our dot println number of days stayed plus num it is, okay. Next, system dot out dot println bill amount plus total. System dot out dot println discount plus discount. System dot out dot println net amount is equal to plus net, sorry, one mistake I have done here. I have declared as net amount, so instead of net balance you have to make it as net amount. Sorry for this, net amount, okay. Net amount, this is done, and you have to close the method, then the class method will be closed. Now we will do a main method, public static void main string args for calling these objects. So I'm going to create the object of class ABC. OB is equal to new ABC. By this object I will call one by one OB dot accept of, OB dot calculate of, OB dot print of, and then method will be closed, class will be closed. So you have to write variable description for all this, okay. Thank you.